What's up, crypto family? This is your girl, CryptoChic. Today's video is going to be about cryptocurrency, and I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step 101 guide on how to invest in crypto. I'll go over what cryptocurrency is, the investment opportunities, as well as how you can buy and sell coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload videos again. By the end of this video, you should have a full understanding of how you can buy cryptocurrency and make money. Let me drop this disclaimer right now. I am not a financial advisor. I am not offering financial advice. I'm simply documenting my digital journey in this crypto space during this digital currency movement. I believe this is the new digital asset platform that will disrupt how we exchange currency, cryptocurrency for goods and services on a global level. So come on, hold on tight. My bags are packed. And in this video, I'll show you how you can get your bags packed. We're headed to the crypto space. Here we go. The best place for beginners to invest in crypto is on a platform called Coinbase. There's a link in the description box below. If you open up an account today on Coinbase for just $100, you'll get $10 of free Bitcoin. I think this is great. It's a great opportunity for you right now because when you just invest a small amount of $100, you get 10% back on your initial investment. So let's get started here. So what is crypto? I want to take this time to briefly explain what crypto is because it's extremely important that you know what you're investing in. When you think about cryptocurrency, basically it's a digital asset. It's a virtual currency that can be traded in exchanges like this for goods and services. Think of them as coins, a virtual currency. So when you use your US dollar to purchase these coins, you can purchase and buy things. Right now, in other parts of the world, they're using cryptocurrency to do the exchange again for goods and services. All of these cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, which creates a decentralized currency system, which means it is not government regulated. Everyone's at least heard about Bitcoin. So let's get started with it. It's known as the king, or shall I say the queen of coins in the crypto space or the crypto world. Bitcoin was started, as you can see here, I'm in Investopedia. Bitcoin was started back in 2009. Bitcoin has had a very volatile trading history since its inception. I got started back with cryptocurrency in 2016, I think. Let's take a look here. If you take a look at the chart, you can see how volatile the coin has been since back in 2014. Let's take a look here. It was roughly $1,000 per coin. And today it is about $19,000 per coin. And if you look at this graph over time, all of this represents the volatility in this crypto space. Since this is the video for beginning investors in crypto, I suggest that you do research and only invest the amount you're willing to lose or can afford. Because those of us that have been in this crypto investment space for a while can share stories, great stories about huge profits. But sadly, we can share stories, even personally for myself, with some huge losses. So again, this is the time to get invested in this space. However, I strongly recommend as a beginning investor that you only invest what you're able to lose. Not that you will lose anything, but you only invest what you are willing to lose. Let me emphasize this again. I am not a financial advisor. I am a track analyst. I am a candlestick analyst, an investor who believes that this is the new medium of exchange that will take over when the US dollar goes, or the value of the US dollar goes to zero. Digital currency is being primed for being one of the new financial platforms for this new emerging world order. So I've shared with you what cryptocurrency is. Let's talk about why you should get invested in cryptocurrency. If these major institutions are pulling billions of dollars off of the stock exchange that they have invested their US dollars in, and now are bringing it over into this cryptocurrency market, you know that they must know something. You think back to PayPal. Just recently, I think it was in November, where PayPal, the owner of PayPal, and they have over 300 million subscribers on their platform, are now offering, you see here, what cryptocurrencies you can buy on their platform. Customers in the US can now buy and sell and hold 4 different cryptocurrencies on PayPal: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Let's talk about Bezos, one of the top billionaires, has pulled millions of dollars, $200 million or so, and investing it not necessarily in the exchange. At least that's not public information, but he has taken that money and invested it in the blockchain to support Amazon. Facebook, the owner of Facebook, has been working on a project to offer cryptocurrency called Libra. And with this article here, you can see at the beginning of December, Libra, the cryptocurrency spearheaded by Facebook, got a new name on Tuesday, more designed to reinforce its organizational dependence as an ever-shrinking project seeks regulatory approval. And that new coin is called Diem. So all of these major corporations, all of these major banks, all of these retail companies are investing in are investing in cryptocurrency and investing in the blockchain technology for this new way of exchanging money on a global level. So that is why you want to get invested in cryptocurrency right now. The other thing is, according to many of the crypto enthusiasts, by the end of 2020, which is we're like, 3 weeks away, and that's why I'm dropping this video for you guys, is that at the end of 2020, it's going to be the best year to invest in cryptocurrency. There is huge and major global adoption. Bitcoin adoption is accelerating. Bitcoin this year, since March, has gone up 300%. Crypto as a digital asset is becoming a mainstream conversation on Wall Street. So now that you know the basics of cryptocurrency, what cryptocurrency is, and why you should start diversifying your investment portfolio now, let me show you how to get started, giving you the 101 step-by-step guide on how to invest in cryptocurrency. So there are several platforms that you can begin investing. One is Coinbase, which I mentioned before. There is a link below for you to get started. Please use that link to support my channel, to support me, and to support yourself as a beginning investor. So you have Coinbase, and also too, I'm only mentioning, there are hundreds of exchanges out there. I'm only mentioning those that I have used. I'll show you where there are other exchanges, but I highly recommend that as a beginning investor that you use Coinbase. So you have Coinbase, you have Gemini, as you can see here. There's another exchange that I use called Binance. And then this last one is called HitBTC. Now, as a beginning investor in crypto space, again, I recommend that you use Coinbase. Um, and one of the things the reason why I'm recommending Coinbase is because not only is it easy to use, but the platform is really simple so that you can get abreast and get familiar with this space. And I just want to remind you that if you get started today with a minimum of $100, you'll get $10 free Bitcoin, which is a 10% return on your investment. So to get started with cryptocurrency, so here are the top cryptocurrency exchanges. So as you can see here, you have Binance, which I offered, Coinbase, Kraken. This is local. Bitfinex is for those people that may be starting over in Europe. This would be a European exchange that I would recommend for you. But those of you that are here in the States, I would highly recommend using Coinbase. So to get started with Coinbase, all you have to do is go to click on the link in my site. You come up here. I already have an account, but you come up here and get started. To create an account, Coinbase is basically going to ask you for some personal information about yourself. You'll have to enter in that information, and you'll also have to provide your ID, a visual identification of yourself. I used my driver's license, basically front and back. They require that. But if you don't have a driver's license, you can upload a legal picture of yourself, maybe a passport or something like that. And then to transfer fiat, which is the American dollar, into the new Coinbase account, you can use a debit card or you'll use your routing number to your checking or savings account. And then Coinbase will transfer that money from your bank account into your new Coinbase account here. And from this point, you can use this money to invest in crypto. So just know there's been over 30 million people at a minimum that have used this platform. And those of us that started off, I think I mentioned that I started back in 2016, usually start off with this platform again because of its simplicity. I still use it for some small transactions. So just know that this is a safe, reliable, trusted platform and trusted service that you can use. And to date, whenever I'm dropping this video, Coinbase has never reported being hacked. So this is a safe place to have your money transferred into to purchase cryptocurrency. Now, once you get familiar and comfortable with moving in and out of the crypto space and you want to secure your digital assets, I have provided a link down below. But as you can see here, I strongly recommend, I have two of these ledgers. I have a Ledger Nano S and I have a Ledger Nano X. I highly recommend that you get a offline crypto wallet, which is the Ledger wallet, to store your tokens. The last thing that I want to give it as an added value to the video as a beginner investor, now that you know what it is, why you should invest, and now you know how. The last added value for how to invest is I want you to make sure that you learn how to do your own research. Just like any investment, whether it's stock, real estate, or cryptocurrency, it's smart to know what you're investing in and then know how to invest in it. And this added value I'm offering you today is when you invest in a cryptocurrency, I think it's highly recommended that you read the white paper of the digital asset. So let's take, for instance, Bitcoin. So I showed you here, this is our home base for any crypto space. We're always plugged into coinmarketcap.com, which gives us, as you can see here, it gives us, where is it here? Let me just go back one. As you can see here, it lets us know, one, how many cryptocurrencies are on the exchange. There are 7,000 today, 931. The market cap, that is the money invested in this crypto space is now $542 billion. And in the last 24 hours, the volume has been 154 billion. And the dominance of coins on the exchange is BTC, which is the token name for Bitcoin, and it is at 62.5. And as you can see here, today, when I'm dropping this video, some of these coins are going down, but this is the great time for you to invest. When things are going down, you buy in the dip and then you watch it rip. So going back to reading the white paper. So for instance, if I go to Bitcoin here, and then where it says technical documentation, you'll click on the technical documentation. This is the white paper of the digital asset coin called Bitcoin. So it tells you, gives you a description of the introduction of the coin. It tells you the transaction, what's happening electronically with the coin on the platform of blockchain, tells you about timestamps and how it moves around this decentralized way to exchange currency, proof of work, which is important, proof that it is a sustainable liquid asset. And then, some incentives and some reclaiming disk space. But it's important that you read the white papers. So now most of you guys know I'm a techie, I'm a metaphysician, and I'm also known as the CryptoChic in the crypto space. So analyzing data is a part of my nature. I find joy and peace in analyzing data trends and disruptions in the pattern. I love to assess data profiles and drill down to the inherent source of its purpose. And with that said, most will not understand, the white paper of the digital asset, or at the very least get bored with its content. But as you know, I am CryptoChic, and to my crypto family, I recommend at the very least that you make sure that the digital asset has some type of utility. And I will be helpful to you. You guys can, if you have questions or if you have concerns or anything like that, feel free to drop that in the comments. That is all that I have for you today. I hope that this has been an informative resource for you. If so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified the next time I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram at CryptoChicBags. And I'm also out there on Twitter at CryptoChic. And until next time, be easy, have no fear. I am your girl, CryptoChic.